How to turn off Copilot Autocomplete in Visual Studio. So first you want to open up your Visual Studio project and then go to Tools and then Options. Now expand the GitHub category and then expand Copilot category. Now if you expand the Copilot, you should go to Copilot Inline Suggestions and then click on Text Editor Inline Suggestion here, which should take you to the Text Editor Inline Suggestions. And then when you click on it, make sure to uncheck Copilot Completions under the Suggestions Providers to disable Copilot, or turn off the auto-completion from Copilot specifically. You can also uncheck IntelliCode if you want to disable that too. And then you can press Save All or Apply OK if you're on older version of Visual Studio, and then restart Visual Studio Editor. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.